Removing navigate to admin on Shopify. In today's video, you are going to learn how to remove navigate to admin in Shopify. So for that, you have to go to the Shopify, and in the left dashboard, you will see an options that says sales channels. In this option, there are other three options available. The one is online store, point of sale, and shop. You have to click on the option that says online store, and down menu will appear. From that, click on the theme you want, and then in the theme there will be a dotted option. Click on that option, and in the menu click on edit code option. Now the code will appear. Now you have to click on the add a new template option, and from here you have to select the option that says base.css. Now I will enter my code again. Here you can see I'm entering the code. You can add the exact code by following the prompts on screen. That's how you will be able to remove navigate to admin Shopify